Summer just passed 2 days ago, and we are going to have 1 week rainy days and start from yesterday. And today it was raining this morning. I went to do a COVID test, and on my way back home the rain stopped. Those trees are chestnuts. This is my neighborhood. Look at this mountain. I don't know where the smoke come from. Moisture? Is that because moisture? I have no idea. Let's just walk back to my house, okay? Isn't that nice? After the drought season, we are having some cool days. However, it all rains. Lovely. Let's have a close look. Yeah. When there's a crack, and then chestnuts will drop to the floor, to the ground. Then people will pick up and bring back to their home and cook. But I don't have one in my place. I guess this is a very old chestnut. This is the persimmon tree. I made short last year, and the fruit's coming, and I will wait till the autumn, so October and November I will have my harvest. Check it out, pomegranate. So big. I'm not sure can I eat. I don't know what's the name of that tree. Looks like great. Well, see, there's a dog. It's made of the road. We're told to just don't really connect with dogs in China. Well, this dog is so quiet, really exceptional. It's a nice dog. Nice dog. I was scared. See that pomegranate tree? This is mine. It is my place now. See the peach tree? No more peaches today. We harvested already, so no more left. And today, August 26th, go through the small trail and then go upstairs to my house. Grapes, see, there's still some left right there. Super sweet and tasty. Very tasty. So there's some drought. Because the drought days, it was too hot to go outside to pick. Super tasty. Very sweet. green onions still here. And lotus. Lotus, we got a roots, start from roots. The leaves coming, but no flowers this year. I'm hoping next year we'll have some flowers. So this is squash. Isn't that interesting? All the way from the floor, the ground, and climb to the stair and to the top. And I'll come to here, to the second floor. Right. Mint, we got some mint to cook. So instead of going downstairs to pick, we can get some from here when we cook some noodles, right? So chili pepper. Yeah, small chili pepper. And some potato, tomato, small one. And chives to here. And this year, so stop from 2 days ago, summer has passed. And we'll have to have a whole week rainy days. But I'm glad after I finished COVID, when we're back, the rain stopped. And it's kind of cloudy, a little sunny. And I hope I can do something today. And I hope tomorrow will be sunny again so I can go outside. So the apple tree, remember I said the white fluffy? I don't know because the rain, it just rained this morning, right? So it looks getting much better. Yeah. See the squash? Let's go downstairs to check out other plants I showed before. So this is honeysuckle. It didn't go well because we had a very good few years ago. It's all climbed the rails all the way. It's hard for my parents to go downstairs and without holding the bar. So they trimmed a lot, so we don't really have too many honeysuckle. But we don't need really a lot of honeysuckle flowers to get sweet. Even just 1 or 2 is enough. This is bitter melon. Yeah, it's very small, right? They start from very small seedling, then start to grow. And this is well, cucumber or whatever, I don't know. Yeah, this may be another cucumber, right? Big Toon sprouts. So big now. So last time, 2 months ago or 1 month ago, it was in June, right? Right there, right? And go up to about double height. It become a tree next year for sure. And I may start to cook the leaves. Let me smell it. Yeah, fragrant. This is water spinach. The leaves are small. We only eat 1 time. And I remember I was in Toronto. I had one like purple leaves. Yeah, I had one purple leaf. And this is well, figs, right? Figs, right? We don't have figs this year. Let me just walk back to my rooms. I'm home. I'm gonna wash myself first and then make the video and show you guys the video. See you later.